react to a video. So anyway, we there so we are gonna react to a video. So first we are going at this YouTube thing. You see me? I'm going at this YouTube thing. Here with me. American try Jamaican food. So life of a Jamaican chef. So we are gonna see what they mean when them say American try Jamaican food. First me I watch this still, so I'm gonna just watch it with me, you see me? As I say, another day, another dollar. We hold it like a choo-choo.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Yo, fire win. They up on the Cumberland side. Portmore. Dog them. People stay true to wealth. Pretty cars, enough money, Gucci belt. Watch her who she fell. Lose everything and see if she don't move to them. Move go with a dead a rich boss with a big yard and a couple coop in there. Tell her about she not the second first still. Tell him when you learn. Everybody with you when you reach and earn. We just live and learn. Lose everything.
Jamaican. Do I say Jamaican?
Darling, it's not Jamaican, it's Jamaican. Look for my mouth, Jamaican, not Jamaican. Anyways, we hear what she has say. My first wrong mistake I make my friend. Well, we sip some. This is one Jamaican beverages, I don't know if you don't know it. Wait, near Malta. We'll sit, look at this Malta and get back to this video here. Oh yeah. Malta bad man. You can check it out. I will make it. Malta bad man. Anyways, no go back in the video here. No follow me. Bro, I gotta say Jamaican. Come to Jamaica, come experience Jamaican life, you see me, cause as we are say, what Jamaican say, out of many one people, so you don't know, say, how only for race out and things, so come out here, come experience Jamaica the real way. No say you're Jamaican, come experience Jamaica. Yeah, you understand? Cause we out here, you see me, just a wallet. Darling dear, call up him father. Call up him father, me will know. Call him father. He kinda look like Jamaican for true, but anyways, call him father. Cause then use that for trick you. Call him father, my friend, call him father. Blah blah blah.
I tell everybody I was going to. I watched conversations.
Yeah. We went to, so basically I went to the Jamaican place and picked it up. We got, I don't know what this is. I just know it's jerk chicken. You want to show them what this?
Now with the jerk part, I don't play around.
This is the jerk chicken. That must be...
Darling, that must be curry goat, and whoever do that, father, whoever do that one shot in them face, brother, cause so all Jamaican chef, when you see this that curry goat here, you just know them are sell with shot in a foreign, cause that curry goat then look ready. But I'm not know if I camera, lighting or what, but that no look ready. Where the carrot, where the Irish, brother. What did they for bring up the mountain, brother? Bring up the nice curry goat. And even look like a good Indian curry upon it. So anyway, I have to watch it and see what I go on. No follow, no take my red feet and watch it on yourself.
I don't know if that's the goat or the oxtail.
Yeah. So
It looks like pasta.
I'm gonna be real. I was kind of
You
scared.
got a good angle, babe?
Yeah, I
You got
showed
it.
him.
You showed him? It's like some green stuff. Then you got macaroni and then you got white rice.
I mean, girl, some green stuff. Some whatever curry that is. Cause I curry then already. Curry yellow, you know, so I don't know where she get green from. Which curry that, my friend? Curry in a yellow. I don't make me know if curry yellow. Comment on to me. I don't know curry. Curry is supposed to be yellow. I don't know. I never see a green curry yet, so. She say it's green, so boy. I don't know what them I do to them over there. I say a Jamaican food, stamp with name pan fool and ish.
When she said jerk, I kind of got scared because I don't want to eat no penis.
Don't buckle. Yo, me come out for that something here, cause this year man, joke brother, you say you're Jamaican brother, we don't mix them something with food, brother. Food and jerk, whatever you, me never repeat what you go say, look what. I make people hear it out of your own mouth. Food and them something in a mix, brother. That I first rule of Jamaican when you go yard. Ask any yardie. You know mix them something with food, brother. No time.
Oh,
On
really?
jerk.
You nasty. No. It's called jerk chicken.
And
So,
then on top it said ox, so it's making me think of
oxtail? That's two different things.
What food?
Oxtail.
I don't know what that's like.
I think this is the oxtail. Look, like bones and stuff. Yeah, it does. And then this is the jerk chicken I'm thinking.
I have a comment on if you try the Jamaican food. Comment on it. You see me? More people will try Jamaican food cause I tell you now. I'm a Jamaican chef, so. Now I brag and boast. I brag and boast. I no busy when nobody want to say. I brag and boast. Jamaican food is one of the hottest food. Here, when you come to Jamaica and try it. Like what? Fire.
I don't know you guys. I think this is the jerk chicken. And then you gotta put white rice and the macaroni. And then we got some, I think this is the oxtail. Or this might be the curry goat. Then you're gonna be eating goat.
Yeah, there's something
Got
different.
that gator. It is something different.
I was scared when she told me she picked it up and looking at it, it smelled.
Oxtail, I don't tell me the oxtail look. Look ready, yes. I will kill it, but where the thing them for bring up the food, them just make the food look dead in the plate, brother. The food just look dead. Come like them bury the food 100 times, brother. Nothing in there for bring up. It not garnish, it just dash in the plate, so. Have some pride in our thing, man. Have some pride in Jamaican food, man. Garnish your thing, brother. American a garnish them thing, and we garnish your thing. I'm gonna dash it in a plate, give people so that gonna have to know now, though, brother. Jamaican out here, no chef out here, we have feel it, you see me? Come like when you go foreign and you just figure out how usually do a yard and you just start to pay foolish. True, them love Jamaican food and just give them anything. And them don't know what it tastes like when you can't do that a yard, brother. Anyways, I'm gonna take you in the video, so.
So I've been seeing mukbangs. We don't know how the mukbangs do their angles, you know? We want to get a good angle for you, but we don't know. So we're still getting used to like doing mukbangs.
I like the man and my food.
I told you before, I turned my whole channel into thank you, already grabbing. I already turned my channel into ASMR mukbangs. So you guys are gonna be seeing it a lot. So I hope you guys can get used to it, you know, and support me and stuff. So yeah, this week we're gonna be doing culture food, Jamaican.
Yeah, man, we support her. Because she a try Jamaican food. Anybody a try with Jamaican, we have to support them. You see me, that's why I'm there for watch it look a while. Because I want to see what she a do. Go on here, my friend, do your thing.
And we're gonna try Korean food.
Friend, okay? Yo, brother, that tattoo they had. You know, pray that tattoo they good. The tattoo they had. Man, I go around the thing, friend. The tattoo act like fire.
And, yeah, we're gonna try all that. So, oh, okay, you better think about it. It looks like pasta. It looks like a noodle. What is that?
I mean, technically, this is your channel, so you got to.
Well, you can
Pasta.
eat whatever, Joel. We're gonna share all of it.
This meat felt straight up hard.
So it's like a meaty.
Shout out to Jamaican.
Oh, you just covered in that. Oh, so it's like a beef stew.
Shout out to your bad self too, brother. Yeah, shout out Jamaica, we are shout you out too. Big up your bad self, you see me? Boy, you are Jamaican. Anyways, big up yourself, Jamaican youth. for it. Do it for all Jamaican who can't go out there, isn't it? Yeah, the style. Anyways, sound like I'm in a selectors, man. Anyways, back to the music. No music. Back to the video.
Oh, it's just covered in that.
Not so much. But my mom asked
It's
me
not
the
bad.
exact same thing when she came home.
And do that, like, what do they marinate that in? What is that green stuff? It's alright.
Yeah,
Definitely foreign food.
I'm the biggest skeptical.
Stop it, so. Mutton. Jamaican mutton. Curry goat. We do mutton, we do curry goat. But you don't know curry goat are one of the most important thing anyways. Natural season. All natural season. We blend up with onion, with scallion, with thyme, with ginger. With a bag with the bag of powder season, you see me? So you don't know, so you all of the flavor in the bone. You see your bone on the have right there, so all of the flavor in the bone. So what we do, we just blend up with season and put on them. Some chef probably use some local jerk season, some use salt, but nothing kill jerk season, you see me? You have to know how much you use still, anyways. So your natural season, as I tell you. When I do your curry, you know, you go cut up your onion, your scallion, grate your garlic, your ginger, you see me? You get your curry, you get your local pot. Depending on how much goat you want to cook, you get your local pot. You go throw your curry in your pot. Understand with the oil. Then you go throw your season, you go burn it. And you go burn it up, you know, brother. Don't burn up this something, you know. You go burn it. Then you have little liquid, little water, throw in that pot. So you want to throw that all of the flavor. You go smell all of the flavor. So from then you throw your money in there. Low. Cook it on low flame. High flame no cook food. Take my word feed or take any chef word feed. High flame no cook food. Low flame. So back to the video. It's a chef thing, so we just show the American them react to food, so and do a reaction back on it. So anyways, I'm gonna check it out.
Skeptic, whatever you said, like
Yeah.
trying food. I'm from
I'm gonna try
Jamaica.
the jerk
and I'm
chicken.
scared. I hate dry stuff. I don't know why.
Oh, but it's good. It's a barbecue. It's good, babe. Try
It
it.
looks tender, but
And it's rice with it.
I'm just so nervous trying to.
Try this, babe. Look, it's real good. With the rice, that's good. The jerk chicken is, and it's spicy. It's good. It's slap. It was real spicy.
Oh,
Ain't it? That was super spicy. I'm dead.
So brother, oh she no drink none of the juice and you have to drink some like mine, you know you. You have to know what you do. Mine. Because she said spicy and she no drink none and you run go drink. That means you can't manage spice. Me not talk about the artist when name spicy, you know. Alright. Don't get me wrong.
It's good with the rice. It has a little spice to it.
spicy.
I mean,
It kick in. Like,
it's like a pulled like pork or something. Mixed with like rice. That's good though. But you can eat mine too if you want.
junk good. Nice.
That's good. I don't really care for that one.
That's good.
Alright, this must be the curry goat. Because we got some hard stuff.
Hey. First thing, you have green curry. Now the oxtail turn on a curry goat. Alright, darling. That there so is called oxtail. That's supposed to cook down nice. Stew down. And them have them carrot and them Irish and them thing. And even said and you have to have your broad bean. Oxtail and bean it name bread, and I don't see the bean, so probably bean gone for holiday or something, so I don't know. But she chef them will cook it, but boy, when I let me down, brother, whoever do that. First thing I know when I let me down, cause she said the curry look green. Which curry look green? Me not come after that curry story, you know, cause I never see a green curry. Me want to see somebody show me one green curry. Look at me in a wrong field. Me have got change my profession, cause I never see a green curry. Me need to find that green curry. Um, yo. Alright.
And then the babe's over here eating. What is this babe?
Please tell me it's not.
I think that's the oxtail.
All me I try to tell you, brother, that isn't that a curry goat. That an oxtail, brother. That means, yo, brother, you see, I might. Alright, here we are. Yeah, come to Jamaica. Got one jerk fest. And met the people. First thing, them are going to label it. So you go see what is curry from what is oxtail. Oh, you have to mistake curry for oxtail. That means you have green oxtail, because she said that green, you know. Boy, man. Hey.
And then this is how it looks, you guys. Oh, there we go. It's focused. You can see like the bones. It's like some type of bone. It's hard, and then this part is like chewy. So.
It's real good.
Is it? Macaroni was this.
All jokes aside, that's some good.
It is. Macaroni is slap. They came like it.
Yeah, I didn't know Jamaicans eat this. I thought they ate American food.
Yeah.
So all jokes
Well, they're from Jamaican's a different country though.
Yeah.
So.
It's really good.
Yeah.
I mean, I knew it was gonna be good because everybody knows.
Yeah. But Americans don't really eat those.
Well, but meat is meat. Think about it.
I would think it's all kind of the same.
Yeah, because we eat Chinese
That's
food.
true.
Chinese food is right.
I need to think about that.
It's good though.
It is?
And there's
I love Chinese food. I asked Lee on the phone, she was like, she didn't answer it.
she actually did that.
I asked, I was like, is it chicken wraps? She didn't answer it. Man, I'm about to try it. I'm nervous. It does look the same. It looks just like that. You're right. You on the bone.
Really nice.
Yeah.
I wish you had some hot sauce.
Kind of a steak.
Steak.
Yeah.
Hold on, what's that? That's the lamb?
The curry goat. Where we get lamb from. That is kind of scary though, eating an animal. It's just the thing that just devour it. This might be like
You know, say I come off of something. Me need to come off of that something. Call me, I try to tell you that way you have in there and the curry goat you eating, brother. Remember, say you say your father Jamaican now. That means say, me don't understand. Your father Jamaican and they are Jamaican for 30 plus years. And you know the difference between oxtail and curry? That way you have in your hand is not curry. Look on that. People no look on it. Somebody not see right. Wanna tell me if that a curry or if that a oxtail? Wanna tell me, please. I made that, me I know. So
Goat?
But you really like that? It's some of the jerk chicken.
Well, good. Baker, you don't call it jerk. I don't like that.
Yeah.
Make me feel like jerk.
Nah.
don't call it jerk. Brother, get your facts then together. Jerk chicken, a Jamaican, one a Jamaican. Most. I'm going to say I know, brother. Wanna help me out. Jerk chicken. When you talk about Jamaica, you talk about jerk chicken. And this man I talk about one different type of something. And you're a Jamaican, brother? Come on, man. You made that hurt me, brother. Watch it. Look there. I'll me hear me nearly pop out, brother. Yeah. Oh. Hear what? People, me I come off of this thing. Me say me want to watch it. You can't go finish watch it here. See what it name there? American try Jamaican food. You can't go watch it. Me I come off of it.
That's why I said it's weird trying new stuff. At least we tried it though. You actually like that green stuff?
It's really good.
You lying.
I swear.
The jerk chicken is the best. For real.
I feel like I throw more hot sauce on it.
Wow.
It'd be even better.
With a little flavor.
Yeah, that thing.
And then, I'm show you nothing, you know. You have some people that do something right now. On a trick, you know. You have jerk chicken and you have open jerk. Jerk chicken, go in a jerk pan. or in a grill. Oven jerk, go in the oven. So, and you can know the difference. Understand? So, nothing wrong with it. But when it go in the jerk pan, you get a better taste. Understand? Let me explain it for you, cause this also, I'm gonna pre-Jamaican food different because oxtail can be curry goat and curry goat be oxtail and jerk chicken can look like whatever that is. Take pride in your work. The chef them will sell on the play wherever wanna go buy this. Tell them say Jamaican people say they need to take if it's a Jamaican that cook the food, then say take pride in your work. Garnish the food. Make the food look attractive, brother. Yeah, they are foreigner chef, so the first thing them tell you when you go to culinary school, cause yeah, me go there so. Eye appeal. People eat with them eye before. Even when you go to shop, when you see something you know if you want it before you buy it, cause your eye shop. Same thing, eye appeal. You eat with the eye before you eat the food. So if the food can taste good, as me I tell you, that can taste good. But from me look on that, me can tell you say it not have the wow factor. It not wow me. It not make me feel like say oh yeah, mother go spend my money by that. You understand? So not Irish, not carrot, man. I see that I know when I curry goat. Come on, man, bro. Curry and a curry without Irish and carrot. Your sweet pepper. Understand? Them things they stand out. If you ever cook them out, if you ever cook the food and them cook out, what you gonna do is you gonna cut back and put back on there as garnish. You see me? When the meat is simmer down, you cut it and cook it in there. If you want blanch it and then you put it on top, do it, brother, but you can't do that, my youth. You sell with short this, so, bro. You understand? So you can check out. You just tell me if you want to see me prepare one of them dish there. You understand? Cause boy. All I can do myself. But as me I tell you, the food from which part mother the food can taste good for them. But from which part me I look on as a chef, me not go want the food for eat. Because no wow factor no there, no it no garnish. It yeah man, I don't know.
This was super spicy, but it was good too though.
Eat your curry goat, brother. Cause curry goat that.
I guess we have to go to Jamaica.
Jamaica, yeah. That'll be cool.
We have to go there. I want to be cool. I'm not sure. It's the egg pasta.
Really? It's something different. But I think it's good to try different food, you know? It's definitely good to try different food.
Besides the scary name, my child is Monica.
Yeah.
It's actually good.
Wow.
People,
You told me on the phone.
yeah. Just click American try Jamaican food and finish watch the video, yeah? Cause I not feel like say. As me tell you from the start, me for comment the two of them try Jamaican food. Understand? So when I try the Jamaican food, bruh, I'm not sharing it. Right, here we are gonna do you now. Here we are gonna do. Hit a like. Understand? Oh, we subscribe to it already, so keep on doing on the videos and understand? Anyway, we out here until another video. Understand? So we are do it.